A Philippine village watchman gave himself up to police after shooting and killing an actor during movie filming. Eddie Quizon apparently had mistaken the actor on a motorcycle armed with a plastic pistol for a real masked gunman. Dozens of people in Cebu City had been watching the filming of the movie Going Somewhere by British director Alan Lydiard. The local police chief said they thought the shot they heard was part of the movie, but it wasn't. And 32-year-old actor Kirk Abella died in a hospital. Mourning relatives piled flowers on his coffin as it was displayed ahead of his funeral. Chief Alexis Relado said Quizon was told about the film production and police were on hand to help with crowd control.
We have uniformed personnel, led by an officer, and a marked vehicle with the blinkers on.
The chief said the watchman was remorseful and wanted to apologize to Abella's family. When asked if he'd take responsibility for what happened, Quizon told a reporter the shooting was an accident. He's expected to be charged with homicide and violation of a gun ban. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.